how to fix the Windows 10 is locking itself automatically. So whenever you try to use a Windows 10 PC and it's just locking itself automatic. So to fix this problem, first you need to go to start menu, click on start menu, then click on the settings option with the gear icon. And after opening the settings, just click on the system option. And after opening the system, you need to go to the left corner and click on this power and sleep option. Then go to the right corner and click on this additional power settings. And after that, you need to click on this balanced and click on this change plan settings. Then again, click on this change advanced power setting. Now in this window, you need to go down and find battery. As you can see, here's the battery option. Click on this plus icon, then click on this critical battery action. Click on this plus icon, and here you need to click on this hibernate option to do nothing. Then you need to go down and click on this low battery option, and also you need to make sure that you select do nothing option here, also on the plugged in do nothing option here. And after that, you just need to click on apply and OK. And that's it. You just need to restart your PC and the settings will take place, and this will solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.